Hey guys, Andre here again. I wanted to show you guys how you can add that decorative hardware to your garage door without having to drill into it, because we've got these magnetic decorative hardware pieces that look exactly the same. I'll put a link down in the description below, but you can turn your regular old garage door into this nice barn look. There's variations of this, of course, that you can do. This is just the most common variation. You could do where you have a set here and a set there, to where you would have 8 of those straps and 4 handles. So you'd have 2 sets, one on the other side, of course, or if you have a single car garage door, that's what it would look like if you just had a single car garage door. So adding the barn door handles and straps to your metal garage door has never been easier. So again, I'll put that link down in the description below, but this was just a quick video on if you wanted to add those barn door handles and straps to your garage doors. So this is that's what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.